Well, it's me, Mr. Bob, on Thursday, the 19th of October, 2017. Today's word is nature, taking the very nature of a servant, Philippians 2. It's good to be with you today, and I have my naysayers. Well, why you do all that? Why you waste all that time, Jed? Well, the furniture, what about the furniture? Yeah, well, thing is, I'm sitting here in this traffic. I'm going 3 to 5 miles an hour. I could just sit here. What is that going to do? Or I could talk to God, talk to you. Somehow, poor guy, he's totally sideways in the deal, and there's no police here. Well, I'll be back.